Right. First, I'll explain using that nested for loop. How can we print simple patterns first? In printing the patterns, we use two loops. We use two loops. Outer loop and inner loop we can call. Outer loop is representing is a number of rows. I value 1 is I value 2. Suppose loop I am repeating 9 times I am repeating. I equals to 6, I equals to 7, I equals to 8, I equals to 9. So nothing but I'm just repeating the loop for I in the range of starting from 1, comma, 9 means what? Is up to 10 it will repeat. 1 comma 10 is nothing but 1 to 9 it will repeat. First it will come inside with I value 1. Please mute yourself. I equals to 1. So first it will come inside with I value 1. When internal loop executes with j equals to 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So internal loop also I am writing for j in the range of is 1 comma 10 because that is also I am repeating 9 times. I am printing star. But after printing the star, side by side I want to print with a space gap. Side by side stars I want to print. So all stars will print side by side here. How many stars? 9 stars will print. Nothing but once inner loop execution completed, very, very important thing. After completion of inner loop here, exactly at this line you need to write print. It will send the control to the next line. Then it will send the control to the next line. Why? Because next I value become 2. Again it will go inside. Again J loop. Internal loop repeats 9 times. Then 9 stars will print. 9 stars. So in this way, outer loop is repeating 9 times. Every time 9 stars it will print. Every time 9 stars it will print. This is the one. Here, how can we write this? How can we write this simple code? Simple code for I in the range of 1 comma 10. 1 comma 10. Inner loop. For I'm just giving the gap to understand. No need to give the gap. J in the range of 1 comma 10. Inside, suppose if I'm printing star like this, star print statement automatically send the control to the next line. So 81 stars will print in 81 different lines. No, sir. After printing this star, then I just want to give a space. Between a space I want to print. Sir, now also it is printing what? It is printing all side by side, side by side. No. Once this loop execution completed, we need to send the control to next line. So don't write here. No use of writing here. We write here, print. Once this loop completed, after loop execution, it will send the control to next line. See, this is what exactly we expect. Please do this skeleton. We see multiple. Next important points. Whenever you are displaying the elements, look at this. I want to display only in the fifth row. Only in the fifth row. Row means what? I equals to 5. But sir, what all remaining? Spaces. So now we are printing with conditions. Here inside, if I value equals to 5, I is representing rows. Else, we are printing space. Look at this. In place of star, space compulsory. And for end also, we are giving space because this extra space we are giving. Now, if you run, look at this. Only on a fifth row, it will print the stars. I want to print this line also. Either fifth row or fifth column, not and. And means what? I'll show you. Or fifth row. So it will print or means what? Or. It will print either fifth row or fifth column. So suppose if I use and here, what will happen? When I value and j value become 5, there only. In see, there, 1 star like this. I equals to 1 and j equals to 1 means what? Exactly only 1 star will print. Or means what? The entire row. Either I5, whatever the j value, either j5, whatever the I value, it will print. This one. Do this. Okay, it's done. It's the same one. I just want to write a borders. It's the same way. When I equals to 1, it's a first row and is a last row, is a first column and it is a last column. When it is the first row and it is the last row, 9 is a first column, j equals to 1 and is a last column, j equals to 9. It is printing this one. Do this one also. I just want to display this line, printing that stars in this way. This means a very simple one. It's very simple one. See, 1 star when I value and j value both are equal is a star at intersection points. When I value 2 and j value 2. When I value 3 and j value 3. When I value 4 and j value 4. At just intersection points, we are creating. When I value is a 5, j value is a 5. So simply to say, when both are equal, here it is. Simply when I equals to j, I equals to j, then at intersection point, stars will print. Suppose in the same way, now I'm just displaying the values in these areas. Now, so whenever I value is a 1, j value is a 9. At this point, when I value 2, j value is a 8. When I value 3, j value is a 7. When I value 4, j value is a 6. If you observe here, when I value is a 1, where j value is a 9. When I value is a 2, j value is a 8. When I value is a 3, j value is a 7. J value is a 7. So here we are just adding both. 1 plus 9 is a 10. 2 plus 8 is a 10. 3 plus 7 is a 10. So simply to say, when I and j value equals to 10, that will be printed. That will be printed. Here it is. I plus j equals to 10. Then this slash will print. So combinedly, if you want to write, first one or is a second one, then both will print. The top lines also, if you want to print, top lines, I equals to 1 or I equals to 9. Top and bottom lines also, it will be like this. Okay, do this one. Now, suppose I just want to display not the complete line I want to display. I want to stop at the middle. For example, which line it is? First line. So I equals to 1. I equals to 1 means what? That complete line will print. But I want to stop. J value is not up to end. J value up to 5 only. J value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, and j value is less than or equals to 5. Then it will stop at j value 5. What is that? It's a first line only. But j value less than or equal to 5. I want to print. Next one is, I just want to print this one. I want to print this one. What is this line? Is a fifth line. J. So this is j equals to 5 with the or separator. With the or separator, j equals to 5. It will execute this line. Next one, it's a last line, ninth line. I equals to 9. I equals to 9. But j value here before means what? Is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 means less than or equal to 5. Here after means 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 means what? J value J value is greater than or equals to 5. Is it greater than or equal to 5? So, or J is greater than or equals to 5. This one. Suppose I just want to display this middle line. It's easy. It's a middle line. Is a which line? Is a fifth line. I equals to 5. I equals to 5. So, or I equals to 5. It will display. Next one is, see, it's not horizontal line, it's a vertical line. Vertical means what? J. See, this is J now. So this is also what? J value is a 9. But I don't need a total line. I don't need total line. See, up to 5. I value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 only is required. So I less than or equals to 5 with OR separator. With OR separator is printing this. And now here it is. While printing this one. So what is this J? J equals to 1. First line, but I value after 5 is greater than or equal to 5. J equals to first line, but I is greater than or equals to 5. This will print. So whenever we are writing that if condition, whenever we are writing that if condition, we need to write the condition like this. We need to write the condition like this. Please write. Like this one, just opposite one, you need to try. The one you need to. The next one is, here it is. I just want to display this entire line. I already told you that. That entire line means what? We already know that I equals to J. I equals to J. That line will bring. But here it is. I want to stop in the middle. In the middle. Middle means what? When either J is less than or equal to 5 or I is less than or equal to 5. Anything you can use. Both will accept. And I is less than or equal to 5. Half only will print half. In the same way, if you print completely this, and this one is also already known. So what is that? I plus J equals to 10. Then the complete thing will print. But again, this I want to stop in the middle. It's the same one. See, I up to 5 or J greater than 5. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 values. J 4, 3, 2, 1 don't print. Or I 6, 7, 8, 9 don't print. Here it is or same I up to 5 only will print. Up to 5. And in between. So it will print. Now, here it is that J is a fifth line. J is a fifth line. But don't print that complete line. Print only this much. Nothing but I 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 only. So I greater than 5. Then it will print this one is a y. Okay, do this. You need to try along with that. One is what I already told you that. That's first thing. This you can print easily. And so whenever you are printing, this one you need to print. This one you need to print. This one. Here, in this case, how you need to calculate means what? Look at this. When I value 1, j value 5. When I value 2, j value 4. When I value 3, j value 3. So both whenever you add, I plus j equals to 6. 1 plus 5, 2 plus 4, 3 plus 3, like this. Like this, remaining 4 also you need to calculate and you have to display this one. These two you please complete and drop in the WhatsApp group. Okay, now you can leave for today.